The new, redesigned Range Rover Evoque offers outstanding performance. Combined with the all-new chassis, the intelligent suspension architecture delivers an exceptionally refined driving experience. The adaptive dynamics system provides the perfect balance between comfort and control at all times. Range Rover Evoque has 6 preset driving modes to suit your driving preferences. Dynamic mode delivers a more responsive, sportier drive. Configurable Dynamics offers you the ability to customize the driving character of your Evoque, such as throttle mapping, gear shift points, suspension and steering. Enhancing the performance even further, the Sport Shift Selector allows you to connect directly with the exhilarating driving experience. The Active Driveline offers true torque vectoring, transferring torque between the rear wheels when cornering. This, combined with torque vectoring by braking, which monitors steering inputs, delivers superior levels of traction. And dynamic stability control ensures optimum grip and composure at all times. The new Range Rover Evoque comes with a choice of up to 7 different engines. These lightweight, all-aluminium, 4-cylinder Ingenium engines combine refined performance with optimum efficiency. The smooth, progressive diesel engines are offered with a power output of either 150, 180 or 240 PS. Whilst the engaging petrol engines come in either 200, 249 or 300 PS. Complementing the all-wheel drive engines is MHEV, or mild hybrid technology. The system harvests energy from deceleration and redeploys it to assist the powertrain upon acceleration, making the vehicle more fuel efficient and better for the environment. The new Evoque is the embodiment of Range Rover's modernist design approach, a bold evolution that retains the essence of Evoque's character. The unique, muscular profile is enhanced by the rising belt line and the falling roof line, creating an assertive and dynamic stance. Evoque's compelling proportions give it an even greater presence, combined with a sleek new headlight design featuring sweeping indicators, flush deployable door handles, and burnished copper details reflect the contemporary design language. The interior of the new Range Rover Evoque is a fusion of sophisticated elegance and clean, uncluttered surfaces. Cutting-edge technology combined with the finest materials and detailing create an environment that is refined and luxurious. The full-size panoramic roof bathes the interior in natural light. And in the rear, the space has been extended to provide extra comfort for rear passengers. The sure-footed Evoque is everything you would expect of a Range Rover. The all-wheel drive system distributes power to the wheels with the most traction, ensuring controlled handling in all conditions. The Terrain Response 2 system automatically selects the best driving mode according to the surface, delivering outstanding off-road capability, whatever the terrain. In challenging off-road situations, the innovative ClearSight ground view system ensures optimum visibility by providing a view of the terrain beneath the bonnet. The off-road geometry ensures that poised, confident progress can be made, even in the most difficult terrain. All-terrain progress control helps maintain a steady speed in off-road conditions, allowing you to fully concentrate on steering. Hill descent control assists with controlled descents of difficult slopes. Gradient release control provides enhanced control when moving off on a steep incline, preventing the vehicle from accelerating too quickly. Low traction launch is another innovative feature. The system is designed to ensure optimum traction when pulling away on slippery surfaces, such as mud or snow. The Range Rover Evoque boasts a class-leading wading depth of up to 600 millimeters. And with wade sensing, the wade depth information is displayed real-time via the touchscreen.